Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here to show you how you can get degree symbol on iPhone. So I'm going to show you my degree symbol on my iPhone. So I'm going to my notepad and I'm going to open my keyboard, and then from here you have to switch it to your numeric keyboard. From here you have to tap and hold the 0 button to get your degree symbol. So over here I'm going to write 16 degrees Celsius. So for that you have to hold and tap the 0 number and swipe left to get the degree button. So yeah, this is how you will get your degree symbol on iPhone keyboard. So from here 20 degree Celsius. So yeah, this is how you will get your degree symbol on iPhone. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye. See you in the next video.